Hello, I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT on Android and save you hours of time. First, you need to open the Play Store on your Android smartphone and search for ChatGPT. Download the ChatGPT app provided by OpenAI. After downloading the app, open the ChatGPT app. You will be presented with two options to log in. Either log in with your Google account or log in with your email. I am logging in via my Google ID, but you can use any method to log in as it is mandatory to use ChatGPT. After successfully logging in, you'll see a welcome message and some terms that you can review. Hit the continue button to proceed further. Now, you can start using the app. I'm using landscape mode because I need to record this tutorial, but you can use portrait mode as well, depending on your preference. The free version of ChatGPT, which is currently version 3.5, does not provide live details or updates related to anything. You can check the update status by asking ChatGPT, "Till what date are you updated?" And it will provide you with the details of the last update it received. Indeed, if the results indicate that it's updated until January 2022, you can confidently seek assistance from ChatGPT on a wide range of topics up until that date. Let's see if ChatGPT can communicate in Hindi. We'll ask if it can understand Hindi or if it can also understand Hinglish, a mix of Hindi and English, which I'll demonstrate later. It's impressive to see that ChatGPT can reply in Hindi with such proficiency. It's understandable that there might be some words in Hindi that you're not familiar with, but it's great to have a resource like ChatGPT to help fill those gaps in. Now let's try with Hinglish and see the results. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to provide me with a horror story in Hindi, and it is delivering a horror story in Hindi. You can ask it to write more or provide scenarios to generate content. It depends on how much you want to utilize it. Sometimes it generates responses quickly, while other times it might be slower, depending on internet speed and network traffic. However, it will always provide you with a response and won't ignore your questions. You can also stop it while it's generating responses if you mistakenly give it a prompt or if you want to edit your prompt. Now, let's seek assistance regarding creating a website. It has provided almost 10 points for creating a website. You can also specify the points you want to discuss, and we can address those further in this tutorial. You can directly translate the results into any other supported languages. In this case, we'll try converting the results into Hindi, and in the prompt, we'll use Hinglish to make typing easier. I'm stopping it in the middle of generating text to save time. If there's any specific word or sentence you don't understand, here's what you need to do. Just hold the generated text and tap on Select Text, which will allow you to choose the particular text you want to copy. Now that I've copied a sentence, let's try to find out its meaning. ChatGPT will always try to provide you with details on everything without requiring you to go anywhere else. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to provide a study plan for an HTML course that I need to complete in 2 months. While ChatGPT is generating the output, you can explore other features and settings. Additionally, there is a paid version of GPT available with additional features. ChatGPT now also provides a history of your searches so that you can continue where you left off. You can scroll left to view the history of your chats on specific subjects and search your chats by entering keywords. You can always create a new chat by clicking on the top right button. I recommend using a new chat if you are searching for a new topic, and if you want to generate on an old topic, always use the last used chat, which you can find in ChatGPT's history. ChatGPT will create a subject or header for your first question so that you can easily find it whenever required. It will also understand if you type something incorrectly, although this may not work every time. It works most of the time. I've been using ChatGPT since January 2023, and I've gained a lot from it at no cost. Now, let's ask about something related to Excel, specifically generating formulas for a scenario where we have cells with mixed text and numeric data, and we want to extract only the text or only the numeric values using Excel formulas. I request you to try this formula on your own and let me know what results you get. Did it give us the expected outcome or not? ChatGPT has features that we cannot cover in just one tutorial. Even more than 100 hours are insufficient to discuss all aspects of ChatGPT. The best way to learn more about it is by experimenting with it and asking as many questions as possible. It can greatly assist you in your learning process. For this video, the voice was generated using ChatGPT. If you have specific topics you'd like a video on, feel free to leave a comment. It took me hours to create this brief course on ChatGPT. I kindly request you to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you appreciate my efforts. Thank you for investing your valuable time in watching this video. We will meet again in another tutorial. Until then, stay safe and happy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.